Hello my friends. So I want to explain you what I'm going to do now. You could see we have a wood pile on the yard. Now I opened it. I take out all the slates from it, cleaned from the snow, and now I need to carry all these firewoods into the barn or into the shed. I don't know how to say it properly. Last time I showed you our shed from inside. You could see that there was enough space inside it, and now it's time. The time has come to carry all firewoods from the open air under the roof, and this is what I am going to do now. Frankly speaking, nobody expected that this winter would be so cold, and I, of course, did not expect that consumption of firewoods would be so high. I I didn't think that I would use this wood pile uh, in spring. During the spring, I wouldn't think that I didn't think that I would use it, but now I can see that it wouldn't be enough, those firewoods which we have under the shed, and it needs to collect everything together. I'm sure that up to the warm season we will consume all these firewoods. I need to have a small rest because uh, it's rather cold outside and my hands get cold, and it is not very convenient to do such a work in mitten, but when you work with gloves unfortunately you cannot endure for long, and it needs to take a small rest for several minutes, and then I'll return to my work again. So, as you can see, the process is easy. There, outside, I dismantle my wood pile, and here, inside the barn, I form another pile. So by such a way, I'm going to finish my work for 1 hour, I think. Whew. The work is has almost done, and I'm satisfied. As you can see, there left just the low row of firewood, which is frozen into into the ground, and it's all right. I'm very glad. I'm very glad, and I'm very glad for sun that is shining. I'm very glad that so far I have an opportunity to speak to you, my dear friends. Thank you that you exist.